everyone, it's Alyssa from Planned Alyssa. How are you doing out there in YouTube land? This is my first video of 2018. I don't know if you can tell, but I am just getting over a cold. That's kind of how I start the new year, so that kind of stinks. I actually started the new year going to a family friend's wedding on New Year's Eve, and it was a lot of fun. It was also like one of the coldest nights of the year, although we've had even colder ones since then because it has just been insanely cold for the past I don't know how many weeks. There's been no relief. Finally this week, like we're looking forward to some days that might get up into the 40s, so that's like a heat wave. Anyway, I'm here ranting about the weather. Anyway, I started the year off at a wedding, and it was a really big wedding, and somebody there was kind enough to share some germs because I'm one of at least 3 people that got sick following that wedding. My mom and my boyfriend, who were also there, also are sick. So yeah, not a fun way to start the year. But that's not why I'm making this video. I am making this video because I am actually closing my Etsy shop down. Don't know if this is going to be a permanent thing or if I'll go back to it or not, but right now this is what I'm doing. It's something I've thought quite a bit about, and there are good reasons for it. I love Etsy. I love doing it. Definitely I can make some money at it, and you know, when I started my Etsy shop, I actually made a video about, you know, the beginning of when I started. I was in a very different place financially, life, everything was very much different than it is now, and things have changed for the better for the most part, I would say, and definitely financially things have changed a lot for me. As you know, I have an Amazon FBA business, and I do make quite a bit of money from it, and so that's like my main source of income by far, and it's definitely what I put, I guess, the most effort, most work into, and you know, I have to, because that's where the money's coming from, and it demands a fair amount of attention, especially during the fourth quarter. Now things are, I would say, tapered off just a little bit, although as I make this video, I am driving out to go drop off some boxes. You can probably see some boxes behind me there, to drop off some UPS boxes to get shipped to Amazon Distribution Center, and then I'm going to actually buy some Amazon stuff to resell, hopefully. That's the plan, and then hopefully hightail it back home before some crazy weather starts today, because that's just the kind of winter we've been having. It hasn't been like there's any like major storm or anything like that. It's just a lot of annoyingness. Like, we're supposed to get, I think, some freezing rain, ice, starting around 1 o'clock or so today, so I'd like to be home before that fun begins. And so why am I closing my Etsy business? I mean, it does bring in money. I do enjoy it, but it does take a fair amount of time. You know, there's quite a bit of time you have to go put into sourcing and also listing items on Etsy, which are things that I enjoy, but there are other things that I enjoy too. And 2018, I have decided to put a little more effort into, as you probably know, I write. I am an author, and I have some novels out there. I'm actually going to be publishing some more books this year. That is the plan anyway, and I want to put some time into that, and unfortunately there are just not enough hours in the day to do everything that I want to do. So that's why I've come to the decision that, you know, I'd kind of put Etsy on the back burner for the end of the year, just focusing on Amazon, being really busy with that, and you know, and also working on some writing stuff. And so yeah, I've reached the decision that I'm going to, you know, put the shop on like a semi-permanent vacation. I'm going to actually have some clearance sales to try to move some stuff out, and then I will be in a few weeks or so, I guess, putting the shop on vacation, you know, putting on the vacation settings. And yeah, the plan is to I have a young adult novel that is basically ready to go. That's going to get published this year. I'm going to do publish it myself, self-publishing, indie publishing, if you prefer that term, and some other things that I am working on. So yeah, that's something, I had to sacrifice something, and I decided to sacrifice Etsy because it does take a fair amount of time and doesn't bring in a ton of income. It's not like Amazon. Like, I'm not going to stop doing Amazon because, you know, I do need the money, you know, from that. That's basically my main source of income. But like I said, I'm in a much different situation financially with all the money I have from Amazon and, you know, some other stuff I do. I'm not really relying on that Etsy income. It's just kind of extra income, and so I need the time. So I'm gonna close the Etsy shop, guys. Yeah, I don't know. I'll obviously be making more videos still, and when I get to them, and let you know how things are going with all that I do. And I hope you guys are doing well. I don't know what your plans for 2018 are, if you have any big changes you're going to be making or goals that you have set for yourself. You know, my big goal is going to be, you know, making a go of it with this writing thing and getting some books out there. You know, that's a business too. It's just a different sort of business, and I'm excited about it. I really am. And yeah, I'll let you know how that goes. I do have another channel, which is devoted to my author stuff, Awkward Author, so I'll be making videos on that channel too, I guess. I make even less videos for that channel than I do for this one. But anyway, I just wanted you guys to know, you know, that's where I'm at, that's what's going on, as I run around here and try to make the best use of my time that I can. So, thank you everyone for watching. I wish you all a happy new year, and I just hope it's a great year for all of us, and we have lots of success. So stay warm and stay healthy, and yeah, happy selling, everyone.